Welcome to last lesson of Module 4, Campaign Launch and Management. In this lesson, we will explore custom conversions implementation. Let's start with the technical process of setting up custom conversions. Custom conversions allow you to track specific user actions on your website or landing page. They help Facebook understand which actions matter most to your business. The first step is ensuring your Facebook Pixel or Conversions API is properly installed. Your website must be sending standard events or URL activity back to Facebook. Without raw event data, custom conversions cannot be created. Next, go to Events Manager inside Meta Business Manager. Select the pixel you want to work with. Click Custom Conversion, then click the Create Custom Conversion button. You can define a custom conversion in two ways. The first method uses event parameters such as purchase, lead, or add to cart. For example, you can create a custom conversion for purchases over $50. The second method uses URL rules. This means Facebook triggers your conversion when a user lands on a specific page. For example, your thank you page can be used to track successful leads. After choosing your rule, assign a name and category to the conversion. Finally, set a conversion value if needed and save it. Your custom conversion will begin tracking once traffic starts flowing. Now let's analyze how custom conversions contribute to performance measurement. Custom conversions help you measure the exact actions that matter to your business. They provide deeper insights compared to standard events alone. By defining unique actions, you can measure micro-conversions and user intent signals. These signals give Facebook more intelligence to optimize your campaigns. For example, instead of measuring all leads, you can create a custom conversion for qualified leads. This tells Facebook to find people more likely to complete that higher quality action. Custom conversions also allow you to track different funnel steps independently. You can see which ads drive add-to-cart activity, which drive purchases, and which produce high-value customers. This level of detail improves reporting accuracy. It allows you to evaluate which audiences, creatives, and placements are performing best. Better tracking leads to better optimization, and ultimately, better results. Lastly, let's evaluate different conversion tracking methodologies for business objectives. Different business goals require different conversion tracking methods. The right method depends on your technical setup and your campaign objectives. URL-based custom conversions are easy to set up. They work best for simple funnels with clear thank you pages. However, they do not work well for multi-step funnels or dynamic URLs. Event-based custom conversions offer more accuracy. They allow you to track specific parameters and values. This method works for e-commerce stores, booking systems, and custom-built websites. Standard events are useful when your business has predictable actions such as purchases or sign-ups, but they do not offer enough customization for complex tracking needs. The Conversions API provides the highest level of accuracy. It sends events directly from your server instead of relying on browser tracking. This method is ideal for businesses with large sales volumes, high-value purchases, or issues with missing pixel data. Choosing the right method ensures Facebook receives reliable data. Better data improves optimization, lowers costs, and increases overall campaign efficiency. To conclude, custom conversions make your Facebook advertising smarter and more measurable. By setting them up correctly, analyzing their impact, and using the right tracking method, you can dramatically improve campaign performance. Thank you.